Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. First, I would like to thank you all for whom have viewed my channel videos so far and have liked my videos. It is because of you my channel has started growing. So today in this video, I would like to show you how to clear the app data when your app is locked. That is, I will show you. Example, I'm going to long pressing the gallery app and app info. Today, when I try to clear the app data because it has taken over 1 GB of space, I have gone to storage, and here on the bottom and center, you could see that there will be an option called clear data instead of clear cache. When I click on it, it will say whether clear cache or clear all data. The user data took almost 1 GB of space. Since I have done all the prerequisites, uh, I'm not able to show you again. I have not taken screenshot of it. So going back again in the bottom, you can see there are three options: force stop, and instead of uninstall updates, it used to be disable, and then instead of clear cache, it used to be clear all data. I was not able to clear the app data. As a result, it was taking so much of space. So I don't know what to do. So what I did is, usually this is the area where you will go in to clear all the app data in case if the app took so much space and again re-login or something. But I was not able to do. So what I did is, as I've already shown you, I have gone to settings again and I have clicked, and sorry, I have typed all files, and then when I go in, usually you will get an option here to clear all the app data as I have shown in my earlier video. But to my surprise, even here I didn't get the option. I didn't get an option to clear the storage. User data. You can see here on the top left, the clear storage has been grayed out. It doesn't show me the option. When I tap on it, it doesn't tell me that whether to clear the cache or the all data. So I was only able to clear the cache, which was barely about 10 MB or so. So I was not able to clear the 1 GB of data. It is safe to do so, as you may fear that whether all your photos will be erased. It's not like that. Only the user data collected by the company will stay here. So what you need to do is you need to go back, and I will close it. Go to security. I will come down. I will come away. Okay. I will go to security, and then sorry, I'm very sorry. Go to settings on the top. You can see here there is an about phone section. Yes, go in there, and on the right side you can see the storage occupied, right? It showed me about nearly 38.8 GB or so. So nearly 1 GB of data has been cleared. I went in, and on the top right you can see that the apps and data section. Click on it, and here you will get all the app details. See here, when I click on Google, it says Google manage storage space, clear cache, and clear all data. So here I got the option to clear all the data. I will go to gallery. For some reason it didn't allow me to do in the other two options like I showed you earlier. But here I was able to clear all data by tapping on it. Like you can see here, it says clear all data, all app data, including file settings, accounts, and cache will be deleted permanently. So this is how I cleared all my data, and I got back my space. So this is very useful, especially when your app gets locked and you need to clear the storage space. Some people fear out that the only option for us is to do factory reset, but that's not the case. And you don't need to go to a service person or lend your phone to some other friend to do it for you using some other software or like that. You can do so without any app by going inside the settings about phone, and there you can go to storage and choose for the apps and data and clear the data for your gallery. So I think it will be very useful because some people, many people find their phone is running out of space, and they need to clear it. So I hope you like this video. As a quick reminder, in case if I'm uploading my video without a video editor, so as a result, my videos from the phone directly. So as a result, I am not able to cut the empty parts or the I'm not able to cut the empty parts. As a result, silent part. As a result, the video is getting longer. So I would suggest you to type in the right arrow so that, or you can type on the right side of the video to screen to skip 10 seconds or 20 seconds or so. So that is what I'd like to do. Or press and hold the dragger button and the player, the red dot, so that you will be moving forward. So thanks for watching. Do like my video if you like it, and share my video if you find it useful, and subscribe to my channel in case if you need more videos like this, and to support me in future. Thanks for watching.